Welcome back. The festival of offering or Qurbani, Eid al-Azha, was celebrated across the state on Saturday. According to Islamic tradition, Prophet Abraham was blessed with his son Ishmael at a very advanced age. Eid al-Azha is celebrated by Muslims to commemorate Prophet Abraham's willingness to sacrifice his son Ishmael, obeying God, who in the end allowed him to sacrifice a sheep instead. Prayers were being offered in mosques early morning. We wish all our viewers Eid Mubarak.
आज ईद का दिन है और ईद के दिन हम सब लोग पूरी कौम की तरफ से पूरी दुनिया को अमन का और सलामती का पैगाम देते हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं कि हम सब लोग हमेशा एक थे, एक हैं और एक रहेंगे। और ईद की सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और ईद मुबारकबाद।
There are two non-operational offshore casino vessels parked in River Mandovi. Congress spokesperson Sudeep Tamankar has alleged that these vessels are causing pollution in the river and demanded to be removed from the river. He also highlighted that Manohar Parrikar was opposing this sin when he was in the opposition.
There are 4 casino vessels anchored in River Mandovi, in which MV San Domino and MV The Leela are anchored in non-operational condition. Congress spokesperson Sudeep Tamankar on Saturday alleged that these non-operational vessels are polluting the river and he demanded it to be removed from the river.
विरोधी पक्ष नेतो त्या टायमार मनोहर पर्रीकार त्या कॅजिनोक लागून कशें पॉल्युशन जाता हे थंयसर दाखोवन दिल्लेले। आयज आमकां पळोवंक दिसता की तेचे मनोहर पर्रीकार सरकार जेन्ना 7.5 म्हयन्याचो जवळ जवळ कार्यकाळ आयज पूर्ण करता म्हणून सगळे कॅसिनो आसा तशेंच थंयसरूच आसा। आनी जी पळय आमी ITI अंतर्गत पळय जी म्हायती मागल्या तितून एक शॉकिंग अशें आयज हांगासर दिश्टी पडोवंक लागलें। म्हायती हक्क कायद्या खाला जी म्हायती मेळ्ळ्या तितून की 2 कॅजिनो पळय आसा तितून MV सॅन डॉमिनो म्हणून आनी MV द लीला दोनूय कॅजिनो नॉन ऑपरेशन कंडिशनान आसा। आनी नॉन ऑपरेशनान कंडिशनान आसलेले कॅजिनो थंय पार्क करून दवरप हे कितले पर्यंत योग्य आसा हे स्पश्टीकरण खंय तरी मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान आयज गोंयच्या जनतेक दिवंक जाय।
Addressing a press conference, Tamankar also alleged that the Parrikar government is careless about providing proper medical facility in the state. He alleged that there is no proper medicine supply as per requirement in Goa Medical College. He also pointed that there is no canteen facility in the Mapsa District Hospital. With camera person Sushant Par, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent Media.
It's a cat and mouse game between migrants and municipal authorities at Madgaon. Madgaonkars are annoyed with the migrants creating nuisance in the commercial capital. Some days back, the municipality had cleared the migrants from SGPDA market. The migrants then encroached upon the area at Ring Road in Gogol, Madgaon. Madgaon municipality inspectors with the NGOs cleared the migrants from the area on Friday.
These migrants were cleared from Gogol in Margaon. They had illegally encroached upon the area and had set up their dwellings. Madgaonkars are anxious as thefts and robberies are on the rise in and around Madgaon.
चोरी जाल्यो आनी कोण हे जाले तेन्ना कोणा धरपाचे हे मनीस ते आसताय पुलीस आतां इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करता म्हणटाय पण पुलीस म्हणटाय की मागीर अननोन कोण आसतलो हेंकां काय आयडेंटिफिकेशन ना हेंगेले काय म्हण हे ना आनी ते बायल आसताय तितले पळय हांगा आसताय आनी घोव तेंगे मागीर रातची जाताय आज दिसान आख्ख्यो हांगा बायल येवन बोल्लो आहाय उज घालून ते आतां रांदताय आनी कोण हातपाव सगळें टॉयलेट सगळें घाण करून दवरता हिंगा ल्हान भुरग्यांक हे मलेरिया ही डेंग्यू फिवर हे ते म्हण लोक बाबा बॉम्ब मारता ते हे हाडटाय हे सगळे सिकनस हाडपी हे सगळे हे
ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन समज ठप जाला तर आमी काम करून कितें फायदो म्हणटा तें आमचें काम न्हय तें म्हणटा म्युन्सिपालिटीचें काम आतां लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिट्युएशन जो आहा पळय तो पुलिसांनी सांबाळपाचो आतां पुलीस कितें म्हणटा लेट द म्युन्सिपालिटी कम वी वील देन गिव द सपोर्ट टू द म्युन्सिपालिटी टू गेट दीस पीपल वेकेटेड आतां हिंगा कितें आहा हिंगा जेन्ना क्रायम जाताय क्रायम जाले म्हणटच पुलिसांक कल्पेट मेळना कित्याक कल्पेट इज अननोन म्हणटा.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.